Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I am going for a drive. I'm hungry, need coffee, food, and petrol. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, it's Sunday afternoon, 1:15, heading over to my parents' place. I'm going to wash my car. We'll head out for a bit of a cruise. Get some POV for you guys. So I'll do that in a separate video, but we're cleaning today. And my next door slept in the little man's bed last night. As most of you might know, the missus is pregnant, and we've got a pug now. So we've got two snoring people in the one bed. Yes, I referred to the pug as a person. Alright, let's go! So I made it. The reason why I'm here, cleaning the car. They got a pressure washer and they got a concrete driveway. Just got the hose at home and gravel and mud, and you just can't do it. Probably saw it in a few episodes ago when I just did the interior of the Skyline. Even that, where I didn't even wash it, it was getting muddy just from walking on it so much. Being winter here in Melbourne as well doesn't help. But let's get this cleaned up and we'll head out for a drive. Alrighty, some nice warm water in there and we'll get started. Every other panel that I haven't painted. It's just every other panel that I haven't painted is bad. Like the bed. Yeah. Doors, back, those there. Yeah. Probably the only good thing is the roof. Alrighty guys, I've only done half the car, but I'll show you an update on the bodywork. The front bumper has been, it's taken a lot of beatings. Here. Looks like somebody's actually maybe even tapped me a little bit here. Chip. Here. This is probably coming out of the driveway. Here as well. Got a crack down there. These panels need to be done still. The rear, not too bad, except for this little bit here. This panel needs to be done as well. Yeah, pretty much every panel except for the roof needs some type of work. And the wheels need redoing. Hit a curb the other day. It's the first time in a long time. So might fix that up as well. That was already there. Yeah, a lot of work to do. Alrighty guys, so I used that oil cleaner for my grays. And I cleaned it up a bit, but I washed it with the sponge on this section and it didn't change anything really. So I'm just going to leave it like that, dry off the tyres and put some tyre shine on it. Because these rims are stuffed. Going to do the door jambs now. You can see we're already dirty on the inside again. Back's alright. Yeah, so just a little update this time on the bodywork, so what needs to be done. So hopefully I'll be following that up this week with some work on it. Hope you like this episode, give me a thumbs up and stay tuned for the next episode. Bye!